Saturday, this village, Chichra in Gurdaspur saw 4 explosions, a bright light in the sky, and then there was a blast. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 blasts that happened in the fields. Thankfully, you can see that the village is not very far away, and here the crevice or the crater is so deep, you can see that it's about 15 feet down, 35 feet wide across. A big depression, perhaps caused by a drone and or by a small missile is what one can fathom, though the military has taken away the spare parts, the debris that were remaining here in this depression. But clearly, you know, this is the pattern that we've seen in the past few days, where there have been several drone attacks in this entire stretch of Punjab, Gurdaspur, Amritsar, Taran, Firozpur and Pathankot. And behind me, you can see that electric pole, the transformer that's completely, damaged here. That house right there, we are told that the residents were taken by shock. The window panes crashed with the entire impact in this village here, and naturally, ever since this has happened, we've seen a flurry of people pouring in to see what is happening. Firozpur, for instance, was a place where, the drones actually dropped in a residential colony. And clearly, India has decimated every small or big attack that Pakistan has launched on the Indian soil, and the battle continues.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.